All right, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to share with you the best affiliate tracking software to make money easily with solo ads. And I think that you're really going to like this tool. Now, when I do this video, I'm not going to discredit ClickMagick or QLacker or any other tracking software that you may be using, but you may want to take a real close look at this software that I'm about to show you today, because it can do some things that your other tracking softwares cannot do. But this is specifically for people who are running traffic with solo ads. Now, I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video for you to get access to this software. Also below in the description, there will be a link for you to get access to a solo ads training that's going to help you set up your entire funnel and the entire process, how to use it, what you should be doing before you run solo ad. So with that being said, let's go ahead on and get into it right now. All right, the software that I'm talking about today is called Opt-in Dojo. Now, I have been using this tool for a while and off and on, and I recently went back to it, and because I have not found another tracking software that can do what Opt-in Dojo does. Now, here we are on the home screen. As you see, I have 0 clicks for today, but you're going to be able to set up your tracking links, your funnels, your traffic sources, and you can even add a custom domain if you like. And you have tools here. You have a quota for usage. You know, I'm at 8% now and things of that nature, but you're going to be able to see your total clicks, your total leads, your total conversion, total revenue. You can set up your UTM sources, mediums, campaign terms, and content. So let's go ahead on right now. And I do have a product set up in here, but I'm going to show you how you should get things going in the beginning and just kind of walk you through it. The video won't be long because I'm just giving you an overview of what you can do with this tool. I will do an in-depth review later on, but the first thing you want to do is you want to set up your funnels. So you're going to come in here to funnels and you're going to set up your funnel here. So if you wanted to add a new funnel, you simply would click add new funnel here. We'll talk about that in a minute. Right now I'm running some traffic to a product on Warrior Plus. You see right now, total clicks, number of opt-ins, opt-in rate, front-end offer views, email clicks, email open rate, email click-through rate, cost per email clicker, you know, how much you're going to pay to acquire one lead who clicks your email, cost per opt-in, earnings per opt-in, lifetime lead value, number of engagements, number of sales, your costs, your revenue, total revenue, and your lifetime return on investment. You can have it on all summaries. You can just do front end, you can do back end, lifetime. I like to leave it on all summary. Up here, you're going to see all times. You can drop down this. You can, narrow down to your days and things of that nature. Set up a custom range, your ATM sources. These are going to be your traffic providers, the medium, what it is, a solo ad, your campaigns that are running through here as well, the terms, email clicks, and things like this. I'm using this inside of Traffic Zest, okay? And I've done some videos about Traffic Zest on this channel, so you can go check those out. Content also, and these are codes. When you see codes like these are from vendors that I have used, and you can only show unique clicks and things like that, and so the parameters change a little bit and things. So let's go ahead and look inside of this actual funnel that I have set up. So you're going to be able to do your funnel setup. Then you have email tracking, opt-in tracking, bridge page offers. Okay, you're going to be given some links to put on your opt-in page and on your bridge page if you're using the bridge page. So you can set up your links here. You're going to set up your opt-in page. You're simply going to put in a name and the opt-in page link that you're using. Okay, you can do that right there. Let's see. the default speed and things of that. That's if you have several different products or opt-in pages set up in here. You can rotate those links using the different speeds right here as well. With your bridge pages, you're going to set up your bridge page, the link to your bridge page, and you can, like, once again, you can also rotate different bridge pages in here. You can set up conditional destinations, add rotators, already subscribed, unsubscribed, and then you save the funnel. Your affiliate offer is the offer that you're promoting. I'm promoting an offer from Warrior Plus. And what I love about this, if I'm using Warrior Plus, I can track the conversion by clicking here. And it's going to show Warrior Plus. If I click on this drop down, you're going to see all of the affiliate networks in here that you may be a part of, or that you may not be a part of, but you can be a part of, okay, in here where you're able to track all of it. If you notice, it's like from A all the way to Z, as you know, as a matter of fact, you know, they have affiliate X, Bing, a Big Bang ads, you know, just different stuff. They have ClickBank in here, Digistore, Explodely, Lifestylepreneur, Market Health, Max Web, so you can use this for CPA offer, next offers. All of this you'll be able to tap into it so you'll know exactly where your traffic is coming from. Once again, you can also put in different offers here. Save your funnel. Once the funnel is saved, you then can set up event managers. And what that means is, on the event manager, you're able to connect this to your autoresponder, okay, and move your leads through a process right here within Opt-in Dojo, okay. So I have this set up to move from, you know, one list, whoever opts into Warrior Plus, they're going to be moved to my low ticket list. If they purchase on my low ticket list, you know, I'm going to move them to another autoresponder, which is from my low ticket to my mid ticket. Now I can promote mid ticket items to them. From the mid ticket, they're going to go to the high ticket. So you can set up events in here as well. Your bridge page offer redirect. This page, this link right here, as I said before, on the opt-in tracking will go on your opt-in page. This will actually go into your custom, onto your foot, not your footer, but somewhere along in one of your pages. I can't remember exactly what the page is, but you're going to put it in there. And then this is going to be your button. This is going to go on your button to redirect them to the next step in your funnel. Okay. So the bridge page, you're going to be able to set your bridge page. You're going to put this on this link here. It's going to be on the button on your bridge page. You can just leave it picked from offer from, you know, rotator. If you just have one offer, if you have several offers, you'll be able to pick that offer here. You can pick that page there and it'll add another link. You just want to put this on your bridge page. Okay. The next thing you can do is email tracking. Email tracking, Aweber, Active Campaign, Builderall, ClickFunnels, ClickFunnel Anonyx, Actiononyx, Drip, Email Octopus, whatever you can think of, Get Response, Go High Level, Groove Mail, whatever email autoresponder you're using, and then it's going to tell you what to do through the next process. So if I come here and I use Get Response, I pick Get Response. Now, this asks you, how many emails do you have set up in this series for this particular product? If you have, just say 7 emails, you're going to put 7 in here, and it's going to tell you to get the pixels. You're going to put this code in the code section of your emails. I'm not going to do it today. I'm just doing you a brief overview, showing you how powerful this software is, you know, for making money easily with solo ads. You can do that with here. You're going to put this in all of your emails. If you're doing broadcast, you can come back in here. You can edit the name of it, put it in here, and get a pixel for that particular broadcast that you're doing for that day. So you can track the link clicks, okay, the opens in your email, the link click, and who purchases as well. Email links, you're going to use this in each of your emails as the link that's provided that's going to go to your offer, okay, inside of this page right here, okay? Your offer, you're gonna pick an offer from the rotator. You know, you got your offers, which is AI Profit. You got your bridge pages. Where do you want it to go? You want it to go back. You can have it go back to your bridge page, or you can have it go back to your, goes directly to the offer itself, okay? So you can make up your mind how you want to do that. You have the email editor in here. This is some things you can do. You can create an email in here that you can put inside of your, email provider that you're using, your autoresponder provider that you're using. And Sneaky Directs, it doesn't work with Get Response, but it works, with maybe some of the other ones in here as well. Maybe Aweber, if you want to do it, and see, it works with that one as well. I'm not sure about, let's see, Go High Level. Let's see if it works in there. It works with Go High Level and things of that nature. So you're able to use these codes in any autoresponder that you are using, okay? So once you get everything set up in here and you have all of your funnels and everything together, you can close that out. I know it's going to do that. I haven't changed anything, so I'm just going to close it. So you're able to set up your funnels here. You're going to get all of your metrics right here. Okay, then you're going to set up traffic sources. Where are you getting your solo ads from? I'm using Traffic Zest right now at the moment. You're just going to put your source name. You can give it some stars, once you use it a little bit and things. Let's see. I'll click here in a minute because it's going to show some other matrices that you can look at. That's your traffic sources. You can set up a custom domain if you want to use a custom domain. You have tools here as well. Okay, if you have email address of leads who purchase or engage with one of your offers, enter that email below and you can go through there. Now we're going to look at tracking links. Once you set up the tracking link, once you get your funnels done, your traffic sources, now you're going to do your traffic link. If I click on my tracking link, this is the actual tracking link that I can use. This can be used also for Google, Microsoft, and Facebook ads as well. Okay, so you're going to have your settings down here. You're going to have the funnel that you chose. Your traffic zest is your traffic source, whatever traffic source, and you can put unlimited traffic sources in here. You can turn this, toggle this on, off, give it stars, your purchase date when you purchase, the number of clicks that you purchase, and how much it's going to cost, because all of this is important because it's going to tell you inside of this system, Opt-in Dojo, so you can easily make money with solo ads, how you're spending your money, how you're investing, okay? Let me cancel this, and I did toggle that, so I'm just going to click save. The tracking link is saved. Now I'm going to close it. So if you click on this little box right here, this is going to give you other information that you need in order to be successful with solo ads. You don't want to be purchasing traffic from vendors who are not giving you the best bang for your buck. People are not opening up your emails. People are not clicking on your link. Fake opt-in emails and all of that stuff right there. You're going to learn all of that from here, because when you come down through here, okay, it's going to show you what countries. Okay, you have your countries here, tier 1 countries, tier 2, tier 3, 100% right now, tier 1 countries. You're able to segment reports, some things that you can change if you're using Traffic Zest and other things. You can change all of that right here, the bridge page, the offer, whatever it is that you're doing, you can change all that, email and things of that nature. You can change all this information right here. Default rotator is going to show you got your performance metrics, okay, traffic quality, subscriber decay, opt-in performance, bridge page performance. Okay, you see all of that information there. My opt-in performance is at 40%. My bridge page is 20%. Okay, offer performance is 4. Okay, link performance 1. And you're going to be able to see some other matrices down here. So I just wanted to give you a brief overview of why I think that this is the best affiliate tracking software for you to make money online easily with affiliate marketing using solo ads. And this works. You just have to learn how to, it's going to take some time for you to come in here and figure all of this out. Okay, there are some things in here, I got to be honest with you, there are some things in here that I'm still figuring out, especially when it comes to these matrices. But if I move over, there is a conversation button. You can reach out to the owner, okay, and he's going to get back with you, okay, for support here as well. So you can do all of that in there as well and things. So you have everything you need. They also have a Facebook group. I haven't found it to be very active, but I know some people who use this and I learned from them. So now I'm sharing it with you. I will do another video going in depth how to set this up in order to make it work for you from A to Z. So if you like this video and you're looking for the best affiliate marketing tracking software, okay, to make money easily with solo ads, then click that link in the description, get Opt-in Dojo. And if you want a specific training, if you want solo ads training, there's a link down there as well for solo ads training that's going to help you get everything set up properly. So with that being said, I hope you got value from this video. Like the video, share the video, leave me a comment below if you have any questions. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow.